everybody. Welcome back to Fun in Tim's Garden. This is the follow-up story on my beautiful rain barrel. There's been a couple of people who have asked, what's the deal with all the artwork on this? Isn't it beautiful? It's got color, it's got words, it says hi, it has creative spelling, it's got hearts, it's got cats, stars, and smiles. It is a work of art. So here's the story. When my son was in elementary school, the librarian had this brilliant idea. She bought about 10, 15 rain barrels and all the associated parts to go with it. She brought them into the library. She got the first grade, the second grade, the third grade, all the classes to decorate rain barrels. Then to raise money, she sold them to the parents, around 50 bucks a piece. And how do you say no to that? It's beautiful. I've had it for probably 10, 15 years now and I love this thing. So, if there are any librarians out there, any school officials, here's an easy way to maybe make some cash and certainly spread some joy. So that's the backstory on this wonderful artwork. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it's kind of silly, but we're all having fun, right? Take care. Have a great summer.